Hello everyone. Have you ever walked into a big store like Walmart and felt completely lost? You know the feeling. You spend precious minutes wandering the aisles, trying to find that one item on your shopping list. Or worse, you find out that the product you wanted is out of stock. Frustrating, right? Today, we're going to talk about solutions that can make your shopping experience easier and more enjoyable. We are introducing a smart way to shop that combines the best of both worlds, the convenience of online shopping and the physical experience of being in a store. Let's dive into the main problem we are solving. In-store shopping at large retailers can be a hassle. Customers often struggle to locate the products they need. This can lead to wasted time and a lot of frustration. Many shoppers miss out on great deals because they can't find what they're looking for. And that's where our solution comes in. Imagine this, you enter the store, and before you even start shopping, you scan a QR code. This QR code directs you to a dedicated website right on your smartphone. Now, what happens next? First, you can browse and select all the products you plan to buy or scan the list you brought with you of items you want to buy. No more forgetting items because everything is right in one place. Next, the website checks the availability of those products in real time. So, if something is out of stock, you know it before you even get to that aisle. That's a huge time saver, right? Now, let's talk about the real magic, dynamic store maps. Once you have your list, the website generates a map showing you where each product is located in the store. So, instead of wandering around aimlessly, you can head straight to the areas you need to visit. It's like having a personal shopping assistant, right in your pocket. But we don't stop there. The website also gives you a price summary of all your selected products. Now you know exactly how much you're going to spend, including any discounts and offers available. No more surprises at the checkout counter. And here's another great feature, personalized product suggestions. The more you shop, the better the suggestions get. You might discover new products that you didn't even know you wanted. This creates a shopping experience that feels custom-made just for you. By combining all these features, we are bridging the gap between online convenience and the joy of shopping in store. Forget about running around looking for items. Imagine walking in with a plan, knowing exactly where to go and what you need. It's all about making shopping easier, more efficient, and a whole lot more enjoyable. Now, let's take a moment to consider how this could change the way you shop. Picture the difference if you had real-time information and a store map. You'd be in and out of the store in half the time. You'd have a much more satisfying experience knowing you got what you needed without the hassle. With our AI integrated platform, you can turn your shopping experience into something efficient and even enjoyable. Thank you, Team InnoGenius.